Welcome to Techmirror. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 ping pong paddles of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a pro looking for precision and spin, we've got you covered. From budget-friendly options under $50 to premium paddles built for control and speed, this list highlights the best table tennis rackets to buy this year. Stick around to find the perfect paddle to elevate your game. Let's jump in. Number 5. The JOOLA Family Premium Ping Pong Paddle Set is a versatile and high-quality option for both recreational and competitive play. This set includes 4 advanced table tennis paddles, 10 3-star training balls, and a convenient storage case, making it an all-in-one solution for families or small groups. The paddles are constructed from engineered wood with pips-in table tennis rubber and sponge, offering a solid balance of speed, spin, and control. With official ITTF regulation size and a flared handle, the paddles provide a comfortable grip and consistent performance during fast-paced matches. Rated with speed 60, spin 75, and control 90, these paddles cater to players of all levels, from beginners to those seeking competitive play. The included edge tape adds durability, helping the paddles withstand frequent use, whether indoors or outdoors. The set comes with 5 white and 5 orange 40mm regulation ping pong balls, providing flexibility for different playing environments. The portable storage case is a thoughtful addition, keeping all paddles and balls organized. While users have noted that a more secure closure or handle could improve portability, the current design still makes transporting and storing the set simple. As a JOOLA product, it benefits from the brand's 60-year legacy of Olympic-level table tennis equipment. Overall, this set offers excellent value, combining quality materials, performance-oriented design, and practical storage, making it a great choice for family game rooms, casual play, or even light competitive matches. Number 4. The STIGA Performance Table Tennis Set is a solid choice for beginners and amateur players looking to enjoy friendly matches and improve their skills. This set includes 4 USATT-approved rackets and 6 3-star balls in orange and white, all built to ITTF regulation size. With a 5-ply wood blade, 1.5mm sponge, and smooth inverted rubber, the rackets provide reliable control and added spin for casual or skill-building play. The flared handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maintain control during rallies. Performance-wise, the paddles are rated with speed 38, spin 39, and control 53. While they do not offer the advanced spin or power of higher-end paddles, their large sweet spot and lightweight construction make them ideal for family or recreational use. Players can enjoy consistent shots without feeling limited by the paddle's design, and the solid construction ensures durability even with frequent play. User feedback confirms that the set holds up well for casual play, with many noting that it's a great starter set for families or new players. The rackets are simple yet effective, perfect for backyard games, garage matches, or indoor play. Though more serious players might eventually look for an intermediate or professional paddle, the STIGA Performance Set delivers excellent value at this price point. Overall, it is a well-made, fun, and practical table tennis set that encourages friendly competition and skill development for beginners or casual enthusiasts. Number 3. The Glymnis Ping Pong Paddle Set is a well-rounded option for players of all levels looking for indoor or outdoor table tennis fun. This set includes 4 7-ply poplar wood paddles, 8 regulation-size balls, and a durable storage case, making it convenient to carry and protect your equipment. The paddles feature a 1.5mm inverted rubber surface that delivers good control, spin, and stability, allowing players to enjoy precise shots and consistent rallies. The flared ergonomic handles are comfortable for extended play, offering a secure grip without straining your hand. The paddles also include reinforced edge bands to prevent wear, enhancing their durability over time. While the rubber may occasionally separate, the company has shown responsive customer service, providing replacements when needed. This highlights a commitment to supporting players and maintaining product quality. The set is ideal for 2 to 4 players, whether for casual family games, friendly competitions, or skill development. It is suitable for beginners, intermediate players, and even those seeking a recreational challenge. Users have noted that the paddles are worth the price, though some of the included balls may arrive with minor defects, which is not unusual in budget-friendly sets. Overall, the Glymnis Ping Pong Paddles set delivers solid performance, comfort, and portability. It strikes a good balance between quality and affordability, making it a practical choice for families, friends, or anyone looking to enjoy table tennis without investing in high-end professional equipment. Number 2. The WinLook Ping Pong Paddle Set is a versatile and practical choice for both casual and competitive players. This 4-player set includes 4 premium paddles, 8 3-star ITTF-approved 40mm ping pong balls, and a convenient portable case, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor games. The paddles are made of 5 layers of crack-resistant wood, with a medium soft sponge that provides a balanced feel for spin and control. The flared ergonomic handles ensure comfort during extended play, allowing players of all ages to maintain a secure grip. Designed for beginners and more experienced players alike, this set delivers reliable performance at a reasonable price. The included 3-star ping pong balls are suitable for practice and casual competition, giving consistent bounce and durability for repeated play. While the set is budget-friendly, it maintains a level of quality that allows players to enjoy meaningful rallies and practice sessions. The portable case is a thoughtful addition, keeping paddles and balls organized and easy to transport. This makes it convenient for outdoor use, whether at picnics, poolside, or on portable tables, and equally suitable for indoor play. Users have noted that the paddles offer a solid grip and perform well even with lighter or lower-cost balls, emphasizing their versatility. Overall, the WinLook ping pong paddle set combines durability, comfort, and accessibility in one complete package. It is a reliable option for families, friends, or anyone looking to enjoy table tennis without investing in professional-level equipment, offering both fun and functional play for all skill levels. Number 1. The Pro Spin. Ping pong paddle is a high-performance racket designed for players seeking precision, control, and spin at an affordable price. Featuring a 7-ply blade composed of 5 layers of premium wood combined with 2 layers of carbon fiber, this paddle delivers a responsive and stable feel on every shot. The 2.0mm sponge paired with ITTF-approved professional-grade rubber ensures excellent control while allowing strong spin and power, making it suitable for players of all levels. The paddle's expanded sweet spot enhances shot accuracy and consistency, while the ergonomic shakehand handle with an inner carbon tube reduces vibrations, allowing for comfortable and controlled play during long sessions. Whether practicing with a table tennis robot, competing with friends, or honing your skills for tournaments, this paddle provides a noticeable edge in stability and shot placement. Users highlight its impressive balance of performance and affordability, noting that it rivals paddles priced 2 to 3 times higher. While the paddle initially has a noticeable chemical smell from the protective film, this dissipates over time. The included zippered protector case, however, is less durable than the paddle itself and may require replacement for long-term storage. Overall, the Pro Spin carbon fiber paddle offers exceptional value, combining professional-grade materials, control, and spin in a package accessible to beginners and experienced players alike. It is a reliable choice for anyone looking to elevate their table tennis game without investing in high-end, costly models. Regular care of the rubber surface will help maintain performance over time, ensuring consistent play and longevity.